Good morning everyone, this is Xiyal and today I will be doing a quick update on BTC and also will look on few alts that I am looking at. So BTC has been dropping quite a lot since we went to the top of this channel that BTC has been respecting for so long. So we got rejected there and been falling quite fast and continuously till we found this bottom at the end of this last week, and this area is has few confluences here. That is this week. This was this weekly level from which it bounced, which was also this value area low of this whole range in which BTC has been trading for last few months, and this channel, bottom channel from where it bounced, this has been respected for quite a long time. It did took out this low on Sunday, but there are still other lows to be taken out. So here most likely lot of longs will have stop losses, so BTC could likely go down quickly and take out these lows and then move up, but it's getting resistance in this point of control of this overall range. Above that we have levels of resistances here like these daily levels, and there are also these naked point of controls above. Below that we do have daily naked point of a weekly level and a daily level and a daily naked point of control at 35,600. These levels are all untapped. This was my quick overview on BTC. Moving on to the alts. ENS, this one I gave in last week's video, which did really well. Although it bounced from this daily level, I told everyone to wait till we reclaim this monthly level. First time we got rejected from this confluence of monthly and this point of control. Then we reclaimed it, bounced, moved strongly, reject on first attempt of this value area high. Again came down first, and this one actually front run this fib pocket. So from here again it quickly moved up. So overall it gave around 60% pump, so it was quite good. This is a major take profit level here for me because in BTC pair is facing a strong facing a resistance. Next coin I'm looking at is Atom. Atom is trading in this channel, so now it hit this bottom of the channel, and there was the daily level, but which was only tapped once, so still it held, but there is still stop losses here likely, so this low can be taken out and it might move up. But if it loses it will likely come down and test these lower ranges, like there is this daily level and this order block here, so it will likely bounce from here if it loses it. If it further goes down, then it will likely test this lower level, which is like getting accepted back into this older range. Moving on to GRT I gave last week, so it also did quite well. At first tried breaking this monthly level and even this daily level twice, but it got rejected strongly, and now it bounced from this old order block here. This one you can see here, this order block. So it bounced from the top of the order block, and this was weekly level, but it still has to test the midpoint of this order block or even the lower of the order block where we have the daily. Like it has potential to come down here, but before like entering now would be kind of almost, so it would be better if we wait a bit. My area of interest would be like from here like this 0.5 order area of order block to this daily level. So keep patient. This link is holding this monthly level, but it's still in this old range. So if it loses this monthly level, it will likely be coming to test this value area low of this range. There are some lows that can be taken out if it comes there, but this movement from here was quite fast. So if we lose this area around 6.65, if we lose this level, it will come down fast from there. After this, moving on to FTM. Yesterday bounced from this daily level, which was in confluence with this value area high of this. Oh, sorry, this is not value area high, I'm sorry. So this one, this is the value area high, which is quite lower from here. So this is, we also had an order block here and a monthly level. So for now it is holding this, and yesterday's Sunday's bounce from here was quite strong, but for now it is holding this. But if we see weakness in BTC, it can lose it. If it loses, then we are coming down to test these lower levels here, like this value area high of this range and this point of control of this range, and there is this fib, and yeah, this is 786 fib level. So this 886 fib level is in confluence with the point of control. Moving on to EOS. EOS is holding this value area low of this range for which it has been trading for the last few months, and if it goes up from here, the higher levels are there which would act as resistance, like this monthly area which is in confluence with 0.5, and this daily level which is in confluence with 618, and this point of contact in confluence with this daily level and 382. So for now it has been trading this range. If it loses, then it will go loses this range, then it will go down, but for now it is inside this range, but this daily level hasn't been tapped yet. So moving on to LRC is LRC bounced from this old order block here, which was in confluence with this value area of this old range and this weekly level. This bounce was quite strong. It was around, this was 18% move. So if it holds this level, this value area low of this value area low and this overall weekly levels, if it holds, and it has quite potential for it to go up. Then we have Uniswap actually USD pair, this area is not, we don't have much anything here as support. There are this 886 level lower, but here there is nothing. So I got an alert on Uniswap BTC pair of hitting this monthly and 382. For now it is here. Like we can get a strong move up from here if this level holds, but if it doesn't hold, then it will come back to test these lower levels where there is this pivot area of pivot low of this move from where it moved. So keep an eye on this, but USDT pair there is nothing much there. So if we can come down here and this level, we will get quite a drop. So that drop would be around like 21%. So if that happens in USDT pair also, we will likely come down and get to test these lower levels. So that would be good. We also have this old range value area levels, so those will come in confluence here, but there is nothing much here. So moving on to USDT pair of XRP. Yeah, this movement, this bounce from here was quite strong. It came down, didn't hold this monthly, went down, took out this few lows of this range, but there are still two lows that are to be taken out. But for now it is holding on quite well because of this fib pocket of this pitchfork as well as this weekly level. So for now it is holding this level quite well, as well as this monthly level. If it shows strength and move up from here, can get a strong move here because it has been going down for a long time. And even in BTC pair we have a support area. So this was bounced from this weekly level which was there, but for now this monthly level is giving resistance along with this one-to-one extension of this fib. So it will have to reclaim these first, then we can get a strong move up from here. But XRP has been like moving sideways for a very long time here, but this whole range is quite big, so can get a strong move even if we like go and test this point of control or the value area high. All of those things are related to you have mostly likely heard about the XRP lawsuit that SEC has on it. So on that, it is quite dependent. So if XRP wins that lawsuit, it will likely will do a very strong rally. Moving on to ADA. ADA actually lost quite a strong levels. It lost this monthly level, then it also lost this range in which it was trading. For now, it even lost the weekly, then somehow took out this low and is getting back into this, reclaiming this weekly level. So if it holds this level, then it's quite well and good. Also we have this anchored VWAP here, so if it which is from the March 2020 level, if it reclaims this, then we can get a strong move up from here. But if it doesn't do this and even continues to go down, then we have this fib pocket of this fib extension here, along which is also is in confluence with this fib pocket of this fib channel, as well as 786 fib level. So there are these three confluences here. So if we lose that, it will likely come down to test here, which we also have this week. It can likely take out this week and go up, but there is nothing horizontal support level here, so keep that in mind. This 1-to-1 fib extension, so lose this level all fast if BTC like goes on dump page mode, because it has been losing these very strong levels continuously since this drop, not just this drop, but since last year's September and August month. Keep that in mind. Gala is next. So Gala actually bounced from a strong level of confluence. We had this daily order block, then there was this value area high of this old range and the daily level. So, and as well as this 886 of fifth level. It bounced just by touching this 0.5 midpoint of this order block, and actually front run these other levels. Maybe it could come down and fill this week, go and take out these weeks and like move up, or even just move from here. It's possibility. But if it loses this area, this strong area, then it will likely come down and there's this lower area, and it has a higher probability of happening because in BTC pair of Gala there is just this 786 level here and no other horizontal support levels. Below that there is this fib pocket of this fib extension along with value area high of this old range. So if it drops here, it will be at around 35% drop. So if that happens in BTC pair, it will likely lose this area, so not this level that is holding now. So if it lose this level, then it will likely if it happens on BTC pair, like it loses this level and come down to this lower levels that we have here and get accepted back into this range. So that's it from my side today. Hope you liked the video. I do fast updates on like I give faster updates on our Telegram channel, the link of which is in the description. Like I gave the take profit for ENS, first take profit as well as the second take profit. So I give quicker updates on there. So hope you join that channel. Also, we have checked our YouTube channel and seen that a lot of you viewers who watch our videos aren't actually subscribed to our channel. We would appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel and put a like on this video. And that's it from me today. Bye bye and have a great day.